Learning through games is a great way to make learning meaningful for children. No matter the age of the child or subject being taught, sometimes a good game is just bang on. One of our favorite manipulatives for learning games is dice, because they are open-ended, fun for kids, and you can carry it anywhere to play with. Today I will share with you 2 literacy activities with dice. After kids learn phonic sounds of each letter, it's time to teach them 2 or 3 sounds that can blend to make a word. Here comes the CVC words. It's the first step to teach kids reading. It's easy to lose patience in the process of teaching a child to read. But let's remember that it is new and difficult. That doesn't come naturally to them. Let's have a look at the activities. Roll and cover. You need printouts of make a game board and the 3 dice. We took some flower cutouts which were available. You can use some beans as well. Make the 3 dice in 3 different colored papers. Having different colors will help kids with the order in which they can place the dice. Cut the dice and fold along the lines and tape it or stick it to make your dice. You can use a regular A4 sheet or a hard paper. Write the letters in each side. I suggest you write it before cutting the dice. It gets a little easy. In one of the sheets, we wrote only vowels, and in the other 2 were the consonants. Once you are ready, let's start building words. We can do this in 2 ways. One is, on a sheet, make circles of the colors used to make dice. Kids need to set their dice in that order to make a word. If the letters form a word, we show a thumbs up. Look for it in a picture sheet. If not, try another word. If the red letters don't form a word, we show a thumbs down and roll again. Here we found map, and we placed a flower to the matching picture. The other way that we can play this is, let the kids find their own words in their own ways, not worrying about the colors. This activity goes on for hours and kids love making these words. Muskan had fun too. The words that didn't match, she said these are boo-boo words. I hope your kids have fun too. Let's have a look at the next activity. The next activity is CVC words with dice. We need A4 sheets, colored marker, and 2 dice. Oh well, I used some alphabets from Muskan's toys as well. On a sheet, we will leave some space for the consonants and only write the vowels. We will write 6 numbers and with them write 6 consonants. Kids need to roll the dice and place it in the blanks. Doesn't matter which die goes where. Looking at the dice, children are going to make CVC words. Like we made cap. We roll it again. Number 6 has letter B. We'll place letter A, that's already written. And number 5, oh, that's number 4. Number 4 is M. That was a boo-boo word. Well, we had a lot of fun. Muskan was not very excited about the CVC words, but the boo-boo words. We made learning fun. I hope you all make it too.
Thank you so much for visiting our channel. I hope these activities help you make learning fun for your little ones. Please subscribe for weekly updates. You can also find me on Instagram. Please follow the links below.